Hi there. The layout of a web page is just as important as the color in front being used. In this case, I really wouldn't have a layout where the text stands the length of a page. A common design guideline is not to have the body copy, say, like longer than a dollar bill. So what I want to do is I want to insert a box in the center of this page. Alright, in order to put all these text properties into that box, and how can we do that? I'm gonna use absolute position div. So we go to the window, select insert, and I'm gonna make sure the layout is selected. Now I'm gonna insert an AP div. So all I need to do is select that, and I can go ahead and draw a box. Here we are. If I click on that AP div, I can change the properties in properties panels at the bottom. First, I want to replace this default name with content. That's where my content is going to go. And then I want to change the width, so I made it about 700 pixels wide. So far, so good. In fact, I can go ahead at this point, select all of this text, and click and drag it right into the box. There we are. So I just save this file, and I will go ahead and preview it in a browser. Remember, this is the absolute position div. So I scale up and scale down the page, it remains position. It's quite frustrating because it's kind of hard to reading the text. But what if I want more flexible layout? What if I want this box always be 700 pixels and have equal space in the both sides, regardless the size of browsers? So here's how we do it. Go to CSS style sheet, make sure all selected, and we can just double click the content and jump to rules definition to change it. And in this case, what I'm going to do here is I'm gonna go to positioning panel, because again, I don't want this to be absolute anymore, so just delete it. Next things we should do is jump to the box panel, make the top margin 100 pixels, but it's really up to you. Remember, we want to make it even now, so the left side we make it auto, the right side same, we have to make it auto. Now we're ready to go. Preview it. Here's my content. As I scale up and scale down, you can see we have more flexible layout now, and the contents always be visible to users.